I'd like to talk with you about something that's dear to my heart, and that is product conceptualization and design specifications. We've been doing design work at Missouri Enterprise for over 25 years, and I've personally been doing design work for over 30 years. So we know a little bit about what happens with product design and development. This process of product conceptualization is to come into your facility and give another set of eyes to a problem that you might be having. Frequently, you'll get bogged down in the same problems over and over again, and you don't see the forest for the trees. You're looking at something in the same way you've looked at every other problem that you've had, and bringing in a second set of eyes or a third set of eyes to look at it and say, have you thought about this? Have you thought about looking at these materials? And that's where Missouri Enterprise comes in. We've had a lot of success with companies where we come in and that's the only thing they use us for. Bob, we've got a challenge. We don't know how to make this situation work. This tooling will not function as we thought it would, or it's taking us a lot of extra energy and effort and tooling to get this done. What are your thoughts? An example, a few years ago we were working with a company that made batteries. These are batteries for vehicles, something that's in one of those electric vehicles running down the highway next to you. Well, the problem is that when you charge those batteries, they tend to expand and they grow. And they couldn't figure out how they were going to keep those batteries contained during the charging process. So they had been going through a lot of different exercises with heavy tooling and steel and holding everything together, and they couldn't figure out how to control the right pressure. We had a meeting with them. One of the things that came up, one idea that was shouted out was, what about wedges? A simple machine? What if we put wedges in from the side? All of a sudden you saw light bulbs go off across the room. They said, thank you very much. I think we hit on something that they hadn't thought of in the past. So if you call Missouri Enterprise, we can come in, we can look at your problems. We've been doing this for quite a long time. We're the #1 manufacturing consulting firm in the state of Missouri.